Hey guys, it's Molly. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for being here. I wanted to do something simple tonight. Black, white, and silver. Simple, peaceful, elegant. Hope you guys enjoy. Let's paint. Okay, I just wanted to go with simple tonight. Like Melly D always says, simple is best, right? So I'm doing a black base canvas. I'd already painted off my sides, taped off my back, and I'm just using silver and white. I wanted something elegant, just a black and white canvas, and just appreciate kind of whatever organically develops out of it. Sometimes it's just really nice to go back to just something very basic. I think you can really appreciate kind of the design sometimes when there's not a ton of colors that are around. So I'm gonna blow this out. I really like using the blow dryer to spread the paint around because it gives me a really thin, even layer. If you're noticing that your colors are getting swallowed sometimes by your base coat, it may just be that you have too much on the canvas. So some artists use a spatula, and that works great if your paints are thin enough, and it works well. Just pop in my air bubbles here. And it works well if you're working on like a smaller based area. But for when I do larger work and I really want a good even coat, you can also tilt the painting, but you end up wasting a lot more paint, in my opinion. You tilt it, if you do tilt, I like to have a cup beside it to tilt into so that you don't waste as much paint. So this one is gonna be really simple tonight. I've mixed my colors here. I've just got silver, a metallic silver, and Amsterdam white, and that is all I am using. So I was thinking about my design. I don't want to do a straight across blowout. I want it to be kind of organic, so I think I'm gonna do a line up here and a line kind of back here, and then maybe a little something in the middle. So I'm gonna do a puddle up here. I'm gonna do my white, maybe a little bit in the center. And then I'm gonna do a little bit of my silver. And then I'm gonna come through with just a little bit of the black as well. Even though I've got black on my base, I'm gonna do a little bit of black in the pour as well. And this may make a little bit of gray, but again, I'm just appreciating my colors here. So maybe a little bit more on the inside there, and then a little bit more silver. Do I want any more black? I have enough black, I can spread that out, I think. A little bit more. You know, Melly D has been doing a series with Mixed Media Girl on just using a little bit of black here, doing a black and white series using different colors. I think I've seen Karen as well from Waterfall Acrylics do one, and I love them. I think they come out beautiful. You really give the colors a chance to, or the white and the black to really shine instead of having a bunch of colors spread across the canvas. Okay, so I'm just gonna give this another torch. So I'm gonna blow out up here, so I am gonna put just a little drizzle of my, and I'm doing this not to flood the colors this time, I'm doing it so that they have something to move over. So if you're blowing your paint and it's not moving and it's stopping right here, put a little bit more paint and it'll allow you to blow that out. What's happening is it's catching on the canvas underneath a lot of times. So I'm just gonna put a little bit there, but too much and your colors may sink. So, and I think I am gonna do just one more little black and white in the center. We'll see what happens, right? Okay, I think it is set to go. I think I've got enough paint on there. So I'm just gonna blow up here, maybe out this way. I'll blow maybe with my mouth a little bit in the center and then blow up this way and back this way. We'll see. Okay, I love this part right here. That is so pretty. So I'm gonna blow this. I was gonna blow it with my mouth, but I feel like maybe it needs a little bit of motion with the blow dryer. Let's just blow a little. So I don't like this part right here. I think I'll blow this part with my mouth. I always dip myself in there. Okay, so I like that part now. And I think maybe just a little up here. Yeah. I love this. I feel like, I don't know, I feel like maybe right up here just a little bit with a more popping kind of white blown out. And you can do this, you can fiddle. Don't, you know, if you don't like your painting design, do something else with it, right? You want to get the right composition that you like. I'm gonna blow this area right up there. Oh yeah. Yes, yes. Now I like that it's kind of offset and I don't have anything down here. I think that's really cool. Maybe a little bit. I can't tell you how many times I've painted my hair. Maybe just drag that, okay. Okay. I'm loving this right here, it's gorgeous. And these little jagged edges that are kind of fraying out, those are really pretty too. Where to next? I feel like this right here can be opened because everything else is very So the way to open up a space is to blow just like that and see how that kind of feathered out now, and it's gonna dry. And I was able to kind of curl that along and open that up to add more interest. And I think I might do that right up here as well and have a couple of those kind of come right up here. So this is really about, some of you say that you have difficulty with composition, and this is really where composition comes in. Let me see if I can get up high enough. Oh, nope, got directly in there. But that will dry flat, so that's okay. So I might use my straw. I don't normally use a straw. A lot of people ask this as well. And I don't normally use it because it gives a very, see, I'm gonna use my stick right there. It gives a very thin airstream, but I actually want that to kind of create this line right here. So, and I know what this needs. It needs some more black right there so that I can blow out. Sometimes you kind of figure it out as you go, right? There we go. I like that. Now I'm just blending that white back into the black for the color so that I could make that open negative space right there. And then this, I think I'm just gonna touch and drag that on up. There we go. Same thing right in here. I don't always like it to be these kind of big petals. I like it to be kind of broken apart. So if that's the look you're going for, you just drop a little bit of your base color right there in the center and then blow that part out. See how now that created those beautiful kind of wispy edges to come along there? There we go. Yes, almost like smoke. Okay, I think I'm done. I may fiddle just a little bit more, but I think for the most part, this is good. So I'll show you guys the wet result, and then I'll show you the dried result. All right, here it is. So this is what I was talking about with the, like blowing out the little wispies. There's all those cell reactions in the middle. It's from that metallic in the Amsterdam. Little black peeking through. Oh my gosh, look at that. Really, really pretty. And I like the composition too. Very pretty, I'm very happy. All right, I will show you guys the dried result. Here it is. It dried great with that silver. Oh man, and look, that's I knew that was gonna be my favorite part, that kind of wispiness, the metallic and the white. Let me get out of the light. It's just, I love it. It's so pretty. It's so simple. Sometimes you just have to be just simple. Gorgeous, elegant. Love it. Love it. All right, you guys. Thanks for watching. Happy painting.